Hello, my friends. Welcome again to another Blender Bite. This is number 3, and we're going to be covering loop tools. The hotkey combination for the loop tool is Control R. Why it's that, I have no idea. You're just going to have to remember that. As always, we need to select the item we're going to edit. We'll press the Tab key and go into Edit. Once there, we press the Control R, and we're ready to do some cutting. If you'll notice, once you hover over without pressing any buttons, right after you press Control R, Blender will give you an idea of where you can put these loop cuts. And they usually fall, well, they always fall on the axis. So here we have it suggested on the Z axis, Y, X. While you're there, without again pressing any buttons, you can scroll the wheel and it'll give you an option to put many loop cuts, as many as you want. We're going to do 3 for illustration. Press the left mouse button. One more operation. We are allowed to slide it along the surface by moving your mouse, and you place it where you want it, and you press left mouse button again, and there it is. We've done it. It's that simple. Now, we can go down here to this little menu again. We can still alter it, put more loop cuts, less loop cuts. We can shift them, place them, so you get another chance. And then once you press the left mouse button again, that little menu goes away. I'm going to do this one more time to show you what happens when we do it on the other axis. When you hover over the next little section, you can see that it's placing the suggestion in the middle of that face. Middle, middle, middle. Here, middle. And of course, here, also the middle. So that's good to remember. You can do the same thing. You can add the number of loop cuts you want on that section. Well, let's go over here. I'm going to do it on this side. Press the left mouse button, adjust your position, and there we have it. It's that simple. Now, I'm going to go to the number 3 key on the number line, face mode. Now you can see we've added geometry. All of these faces are now independent. Press the E for extrude. There we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Do me a favor, if you enjoy these Blender bites, give me a little feedback. Just say, hey, keep it up, or forget it, they're too simple. Just give me a little comment in the general channel on our class. Hey, thank you for watching. Hope to see you on Thursday. Keep up the good work. Practice, practice, practice. Take care.